Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Biotime. Biotime is a software from ZKT. Most of the new devices now is supported with the Biotime. So this is a good software from ZKT. So you can get this file once you purchase the device. Inside the box is the device and a CD and some brochure. So just copy this file to your computer, then extract. Here I already extract, so it will not take time. So once you extract, open the folder. Okay, then run the setup. Yes, remember it should be run as an administrator. Then okay, the language is English. Start. Agree to the agree. Then the location of the folder, you can if you want a specific location, you can just browse, but for me I will select the default. Next, the port is 80. This is the default. You can also change this one. Make sure to remember the port. Next, then pause. If you need another database, so you can use MS SQL, MySQL, and Oracle. So just connect to that database, then test connection. But for now, we will be using the default. So pause, then next, and install. This one will take time, so let me pause the video while we are waiting. So guys, now the installation is complete. So I recommend to restart your computer, but for now I will not restart. And here is the Biotime platform service console. You can check here. All of this Bio Apache should be okay. The proxy okay, BioCats okay, and BioServer is okay. If some of this is not working, you need to check your installation. Maybe there is some problem. So after this, we can now open the Biotime. The default is admin and the password is admin. Now, so once you log in, it will require you to change the original password. So the original password is admin, and I'll just put admin1234. Then again password admin1234. The email, just input your email address, then confirm. Then password admin1234. Now this is the software. Let me just give you an overview of the menu. Here, personnel. Here you can view the employees, the organization, or where you can create the department, the employee. So now we don't have an employee, and here is the device. As you can see, once we configure the device, automatically it will appear here. I will show you that one later on. And here is the attendance. Here you can create the timetable that suit your company's duty time, access control, and the payroll system and system. So now, first you need to go to the device and go to the menu, com or communication, look for the cloud server setting or web stack. Once you go to the cloud server setting, you need to input there the IP address of your computer. So this computer IP address, the Ethernet, my IP address here is 192.168.1.130. So this one, you should input this on the web cloud server setting of your device. Once you do that one, the device will appear also here. And also remember that the port, you should also input the port of the this one. The port is 127.0.0.1.80. As you can see, it will not appear here because 80 is default. But you can just think of it as like this. So the port you need to set on your device should be 80. So once you see it here, now we just need to add. But before that, see if I edit. This one is very important. You should not add it direct because the area will be not authorized, so you cannot use the device. So I recommend to add another area, new area. So let's say authorize area, then confirm. Then here we can now add it. Just click the edit here, or you can press this one, device name, it is put attendance, and now you need to transfer it to the authorized area, and you can select your time zone. For us it's +3, and the attendance device, yes, it is attendance, and the transfer mode is real time. So once you swipe or punch your finger on the device, automatically it will transfer it. Then confirm. So as you can see, the state is okay. Let me delete again. So guys, I deleted so I can show you what happened if you didn't create a new area. So let me add it again. See, not authorized. I will not select this one. I will select the default. So +3. Confirm. You can see that the state is like this. Default area device that data will not transfer between system and device. So this device will not work. So that's why it's very important to create new area. So let me transfer it to authorized area. Confirm. Here now it's okay. So before that, let me add one employee so we can check that everything is working. So I'll go to the employee and go to the device, menu, user management, new user, employee ID 1, then enroll fingerprint. Then I will save it. Okay. Then I will try to punch. Guys, it took some time, but now the employee is here. The employee ID is 1. So let me just put the first one. new, then the last name is user. That belongs to the authorized area. Here, not authorized. If you select not authorized, this one will not, this user will not be working. So confirm here. And by the way, I punch, so we can check here the transaction report, transaction. Then I will select this employee, confirm. So here I punch 10:13. So our time is 10:16. So now we successfully added one device on our biotime. So that's all, guys. Later on, I will create a video on how to make a shift and assign the shift to employees.